Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So, in the previous class, we did the classwork mains, isn't it? I gave in the previous class 3 mains, and before that 4 mains. All we gave in the classwork. Now we'll continue with the classwork. Okay, keep ready the classwork. All of you keep ready the classwork. And homework what we gave today, yesterday, in the previous class, I gave you 1 to 100 to write, isn't it, in numbers? Today's homework I'll write off. By the time you can keep ready the classwork. Classwork I'll write this side. CW means classwork. Classwork continuation will do. This side you write the homework. Max homework. Max homework today is 101 to 200 in numbers. You write it. Okay. Learn and write. 101 to 200, right? 101 to 200 in numbers. Okay, so keep ready the classwork book this side. In the homework book, you write that. Okay. You know now which are the books you have to keep for the homework and classwork? I told you in the previous class only. To keep 2 books, you have Max horizontal line book. 1 book you keep it for classwork, 1 book for homework. Okay. So with this, you write ON1 to 10 in words. That also you write. Okay. ON1 to 10. 10 in words. 2 times. These numbers only 1 time. This one you write today's homework. Okay. 101 to 200 in numbers and ON1 to 10. You know this. ON1 to WO2. That one. Here 101, 102, 103. I taught you in the bridge course class, isn't it? That one you write it for the homework. So shall I start classwork? Have you kept open all of you? Everybody has kept open, children? Yes. In the classwork book, you write it. Right. Right. Right now, numbers. (501 to 600) in numbers. This is Max classwork. In the homework book, I'll give you children 101 to 200, and next day 201 to 300, 301 to 400, 401 to 500. That one daily I'll give in the Max homework book. In the classwork, we'll start with the 500 because you are in the first standard. In the UKG class, you are learned up to 500. We'll start with the 501 to 600 in the classwork. Okay, in the classwork book, you are already having lines. Just you should draw. Take a scale and draw this line after each one. Okay, total you should write 10 lines. Okay, 10 lines you can draw and keep it ready. Okay, how many lines? 10 lines. Take a scale and draw. Then write it. 10 lines, start writing. Okay, you are having lines like this. Horizontal line in your book, isn't it? Only this vertical line you draw with the help of the scale. Then start writing. Okay. Okay. In the classwork book, we are starting with the 501 to 600. But in the homework book, daily I'll give one day, 101 to 200 in numbers one day, then 201 to 300 numbers one day. Like that, up to 500 I'll give for the homework. You practice in the homework then, okay? In the classwork, we'll start with the 501. Shall I start? Keep ready the classwork. Fresh page. I told you, in each and every class I'm saying, in one page you write only one main. Okay. Start in the fresh page. Put the heading. Then start. WRIT. Write 501 to 600 in numbers. Shall I start? Let's start. 501, 502, 503, 504. 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. Okay, next. Understand how to write? 501, 501, 501, 502, 503, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520, 520. Okay, 510, 510, 520, 520. Also you can say 520. Okay, then 521, 523. Neatly write. Okay, total it should come 10 lines. Don't get confusion. 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 5. Oh, here mistake. 522 only not written, isn't it? It's gone wrong. If you miss one number, whole line will become wrong. Okay, you should check and write correctly. 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530, 530, 530, 531, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. Okay. Next, fifth line. I'm starting fifth line. 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. Okay. Next, start with next number. 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 567, 568, 569, 570. See ya. 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570. Like that you can write. The last line and first line you'll be having confusion always. If you know the first and last line correctly, you'll continue the writing the other numbers. Okay, now 570 finished. 571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580, 581, 582, 783, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590, 590. Okay, then 591, 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, 600, 600 at the end. Okay, so today you write this main in the classwork, and I gave for homework 101 to 200 numbers, right? ONE 1 to 10. That also you write in the homework. Classwork main today enough only this main. Then remaining mains, what I will do now, you should practice in your rough note. Okay. So shall I tell this again once? Write 501 to 600 in numbers. After writing, you also read in your home. Okay, keep the finger in your books. When after writing, keep finger and read it also. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520, 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530, 531, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. You can read like that. Otherwise, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. Then 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570. 571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580, 582, 581, 582, 583, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590, 591, 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, 600, 600. Okay. So today you write these numbers in the classwork. After writing classwork enough. Today you write this main for the classwork enough. After writing this, keep ready your rough notes. Again classwork I'll continue in the next class. Okay. Today classwork only 1 minute I have given. That is enough you practice. Next keep ready your rough note. After writing this, close the classwork and keep it inside. Okay. Keep it aside. Then keep ready your rough note. Classwork today enough 1 minute. Don't get confusion. Okay. Just I'll revise what all the means we did in the rough notes. In the next class, again, we'll continue the class. So now you write in which book? Rough book. Rough book you write this. Okay. This is ROUGH means rough BOOK book. Rough book you should write now. What all I'll revise. Okay. Write in your rough note. Classwork main enough. After writing that numbers 501 to 600, close the classwork. Keep ready the rough note. Practice in your rough note. Circle the smaller number. Circle the smaller number. Okay, what is the heading? CIRCLE. Circle. THE. SMALLER. Smaller number. Circle the smaller number. Now you know the numbers, isn't it? Already we have given practice in the bridge course classes and we have started to write classworks also. So you are able to write now numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, that numbers, isn't it? Now you should say which is smaller number. You should circle the smaller number. How to do? See, for example, now I'll give you 1 and 3. Between the numbers there should be a gap always. Okay, don't mix up and write. See here, 1 and 3. Which is small number? 1 or 3? Which is small? See, you are having 1 chocolate, you think. And here is there 3 chocolates. Yes. So, you will be having one hand, 1 chocolate. Another hand, 3 chocolates. Which is small number? See, which is smaller? Circle the smaller number. Which is small? 1 is small or 3 is small? Small means chikkadu, okay? Which is having small number? This hand or this hand? One hand, 1 chocolate. Another hand, you are having 3 chocolates. Which is small? 1 is small number. Okay, circle the 1. Okay, that's only heading they are given. Circle the smaller number. Understand? Next. 4 and 6. See? 4 and 6. Which is small number? How to identify? 4 is small or 6 is small? How to identify? See, you will be having 4 balloons. 4 balloons you will be having. And your friend will be having 6 balloons. Who is having more? Which is small? Small andre chikkadu. Yav chikkadu? Which is small? 4 or 6? Which is small? 4 or 6? So 4 is a small number. Circle 4. Understand how to do? Circle the smaller number. Still 2 more sums I will teach you. Then you will understand. This means practice in your rough note, children. Okay, later on I'll give you for homework. But you should practice before that. No, that's why. Practice in your rough notes this way. Next, 8 or 3. See, in this, you will be having 8 stars. 8 star pictures which are cut in the papers. You have 8 star picture with you. Okay, and your friend will be having only 3 stars, which is small number. Small. 8 or 3, which is small. 3 is a small number. Circle 3. Understand? Next. 7 or 2, which is small. So you will be having 7 mangoes in your home. Okay, you think like that. 4, 5, 6, 7. And this side 2 mangoes in your friend's house. Who is having very small? Circle the smaller number. Very less. 2. 2 is less. Circle 2. Understand? Circle the smaller number. How to do? Yes. Circle the smaller number. You should do like this. Understand? Next. In the rough note only you do this. After this, now circle the smaller number. Understand? Now circle the bigger number. I'll give you bigger number. Shall I erase this? Yes. Now circle the bigger number. Which is bigger? Circle the bigger number. Yes, see. So now you understood how to do the smaller number. Circle the smaller number. Now bigger number. How to do big? Which is big? 1 or 4? Big means jasti. Okay, which is bigger number. Smaller number means chikkadu. Yaudu kadame ittu. Aduna smaller number. Now bigger number. Which is big? 1 or 4? 1 or 4? Oh yeah, only 3 chocolates. Now one more will drop. Yes. 1 or 4. Which side chocolates are more? Here 4. Circle the bigger number means 4 is a bigger number. Here 4 and here 7 balloons. Which is bigger number? Who is having more? 7. Circle 7. Okay. Next. 8 or 5. Which is bigger number? 8 stars or 5 stars? Which is having more? 8. Okay. Next 7 or 3. Which mango is having more? Which side? This side. That is the circle the bigger number. Understand now? Circle the bigger number and smaller number. Have you understood? Yes. Circle the smaller number and bigger number. Have you understood? Yes. So practice in your rough notes only. The smaller number and bigger number both. Okay. Then homework also. Have you understood? Shall I erase this? Yes. Next main also practice in your rough notes. Rough note only. Okay. Classwork main you wrote, homework you copied. Now you practice this main in your rough note. So tables will practice. You should be revising the tables, no children. You'll forget otherwise. That's why. And revise the tables. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 sixes are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. So in previous classes only you have practiced 1 ones are, you would have forgotten. That's why I'm starting revising from the 1 ones are. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. I gave for homework also, no? 2 and 3 ones are? Yes. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Yes, I'll tell and give again once. Say. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Okay, you practice this main in your rough notes. Then, in the classwork you wrote 3 and 4 ones also, isn't it? Don't get confusion. Daily you practice each table daily. So, you will be thorough with the practice and be thorough with the tables and numbers. If you know tables and numbers, then it will be easy only maths to learn and to do sums, isn't it? Then 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. You should say and write. Okay. Numbers, tables, ONE1, all you should say and write. Simply like a dumb, you should not write. It should come to your mouth. Whenever we will ask in between also, you should be able to say, isn't it? 4 tens are 40. I'll say and give once again. Say. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Understand? Yes. So, what all we did today, children? That all the mains you practice well and practice in your books. Okay. First, what I gave in the classwork today, 501 to 600 numbers. Okay. I'll recall once. So, today what all we did? 501 to 600 in numbers we wrote in the classwork, isn't it? Don't get confusion, write in the classwork this way. And homework what I gave, 101 to 200 in numbers. Today what we did, I am recalling at the end. Okay. This one homework you do. And also I gave ONE1 to 10. Isn't it? ONE1 to TWO2. We have practiced in the bridge course classes, isn't it? And we have written in the classwork also. Same thing only, write in your homework book. These two mains I gave for homework. Then, in the rough notes, what all the mains we practiced in the rough note? Circle the smaller number and circle the bigger number. Today you practice in the rough this. In the next class I can give in the classwork. Circle the smaller number. In which book we did this? We did in the rough note. Okay, rough note you should write this. Don't write all the mains in the classwork itself. Circle the bigger number. This all you should practice in your rough note. And tables. Okay, this much we did today. Isn't it? So, classwork, homework, rough note. Don't get confusion. Right? Listen carefully and write. Who are slow to see the recording, save it, then write slowly. Okay. Classworks, they'll send through the PDF also. You can see that and write, or while teaching in the online class, that one also you can see and write. Have you understood? Okay. Thank you, children. I will continue in the next class. Thank you.